How you doing, everybody? It's Brian back here. Been away for a while. Had some unfortunate family issues. Lost both my parents, unfortunately, and it's been a tough year. So anyway, that's why I haven't really made any new videos. But we have some exciting new content. We've got planes, cars, you name it. But anyway, I want to try to restructure my channel here to work better and to basically cater to my audience, because I can be very boring. So anyway, today here we have the Hobby Zone Aeroscout. Also too, I'm using a new camera, so bear with me here. It's actually not new, but so here it is. I did put it together real quick. It's pretty easy. I mean, literally, you're just putting snapping the landing gear in, and you snap in the tail horizontal stabilizers here, and you put your wing together, and that's it. So there's probably thousands of videos of this out, but that's the inside. It's inside the fuselage. It's just I believe it's a regular, let's see, yeah, I forgot. So it's just a regular 3S LiPo, 2200 milliamp. So I've been flying for years, but I haven't flown in probably about 6 years, but I've been flying for quite a long time. So anyway, I figured this would be a perfect plane to get back into it, because I don't want to buy this nice expensive plane and then crash and be disappointed. But anyway, I got 2-3 flights on this thing so far, no problem. Actually in really high winds too, about 10-12 mile an hour winds, and it flew great. The only thing I found, I felt myself going into safe mode quite often, and to land especially, not so much to take off, but to land definitely. It's got safe and AS3X on it. So basically safe mode, if I'm not mistaken, if you go to turn, it will correct the airplane back to center instead of you having to push the stick back over to get it to fly flat again. It automatically corrects it and limits your bank angles. Also, AS3X acts as a gyro stabilization. So now what I'm trying to do here, if you can see in this lovely mess, excuse the lighting, getting back into it, we'll get everything, the lighting a little better. But so what I'm gonna really do is throw a real rock in the rut here. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use the radio that it comes with. I am going to use this baby. I've had for a while. I use it for my drones and other robotic stuff, so that's why I have it for programming, and it's very versatile. So I figured, why not use it instead of the little 6-channel radio that it came with. So now I have it all bound up. I'm gonna pull it out, get it started, and I found out that once the receiver has been configured by the factory, meaning they put AS3X on it and safe it. Once it's been configured, as far as I know, I don't believe you can take it off or on. You can switch it on and off via switches, I know that, but completely wipe it clean, I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm going to start up the transmitter and see what happens. Alright everybody, so here we are. I have the IX-20 started up, which this is, I'm sure every aircraft or RC plane guy is probably going, what the heck is this kid doing? Really? He's got this radio with this airplane? Well, like I said, I use it for a lot of other things, a lot of robotics and all sorts of stuff too. So anyway, I wanted to go over the binding procedure real quick. So like I said, once the receivers have been outfitted from the factory, it's kind of hard to reset them as far as I know. So anyway, all I did was bind it, and all I did was turn the radio on. I hit the button on the receiver. I actually have the wing on, but there's a button on the receiver, you can't really see it, but to put it in bind mode, and I put it in bind mode and then binded it to the radio, and it automatically did it. And I had AS3X, everything on here automatically. All I had to do is set it up which switch I wanted. So safe is on switch A, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, AS3X is on switch B. So basically I'm doing this video to do like a pre-flight, make sure it's all set up and ready to go, and so that I don't end up crashing. So anyway, let me plug this battery in and let's get started here. So now, as you can see, it's doing its little dance to let me know that it's in safe mode. And let's see what we got here. All right, right aileron up. That's correct. Elevator is correct. Rudder. There we go, that works. Beautiful. Now, and I'm also new to filming here, I'm not that great. So anyway, as far as I know, I have safe on here. So that should be safe off. And let's see, hold on. Nope, excuse me. That's safe on. I'm gonna try it now. Yep. Okay. So safe is off. Now let's try here. Okay. And now this is, like I said, this is my AS3X. So this is off in the middle position. This is on. So you can still hear the servos kind of chiming, but, and then this is off. So nothing. So beautiful. So we have our AS3X on switch B. Now it's on, and now safe mode is on. Now, the only thing I may want to do is reverse this channel. So let's do that, and I'll get right back here. Alrighty, everybody. So I don't know if you can see the screen here that well. Anyway, what I did is I went into here. I can show you if it picks up on the screen. Hopefully, maybe. If not, I'll have to change the background. Anyway, I went to model setup, channel assign. So it's going to turn your signal off here. Okay, so the auxiliary port 5 is on switch B, so that's safe. So that's, or excuse me, that's AS3X, which is here. And auxiliary port 6, switch A, which is this, That's safe. So now, in order to have both of them on, you have to have both switches I set up all the way forward. And if they're off, they're all the way back. So that's the most comfortable for me. Anyway, so I can kind of maybe show you here very carefully. So this is all systems off. So safe on. And I don't really have the battery strapped in, but you can see how it's countering my moves. Okay, so safe's off now, AS3X is on. And you can hear it just very minimally making adjustments. Alright everybody, so that's kind of just a quick in-depth little video with the Aeroscout and the iX20 SE Special Edition. So hopefully I'll get some flight footage for you guys, and happy flying everybody.